Verisurf streamlines scan data workflows through the use of a clipping plane that simplifies or eliminates data cleanup by preventing the capture of extraneous points. Designed for scanning parts on a flat surface, the surface plane is first measured and then offset to establish a lower threshold. When the part is scanned, the overspray points falling below the plane are ignored, reducing or eliminating the need to edit the scan. Any plane can be designated the clipping plane, and it can be flipped or offset as necessary to establish an appropriate clipping boundary. The clipping plane does not require that the data be aligned, so it provides benefit from the very start of any point cloud workflow. The clipping plane is intended for scanning applications, but works equally well with probing devices. It can also be used as a post-measurement filter during point cloud editing. It's a simple, fast way to obtain clean data.